Hi everyone, so this question is for students who are doing some last minute revision on CSEC Math, especially in Algebra. So this question is taken from June 2022 paper 2, question 2 part B on changing the subject of the formula. So it is with 3 marks and we have to make V the subject of the formula. W is equal to 5 plus V over V minus 3. So when we have a formula that involves fractions, the first thing we want to do is get rid of the fraction. And the easiest way to do that is multiply both sides by the denominator. So let's multiply the left-hand side times the denominator, which is V minus 3. And I'm going to do the same thing to the right-hand side. Multiply the right-hand side by the denominator, which is V minus 3. So of course on the right hand side the V minus 3 would cancel, and on the left hand side we'll have to expand those brackets. I put in brackets around the V minus 3 because we're using the distributive law to expand W times V minus 3. So W times V is WV, and W times minus 3 is minus 3W. So that will be equal to, on the right hand side, we will have 5 plus V. Now remember, we're trying to make V the subject, so we need to get our terms with V on one side. So I'm going to take the V from the right hand side and move it over to the left hand side. And then the 3W, I'm going to take that and move that over to the right hand side. So I would have WV, right? When the V comes over to the left hand side, it will be minus V. When I move the minus 3W over to the right hand side, it will be plus 3W, and then I have that 5 over on the right hand side. So now that I have my terms with V on the same side, the left hand side, I can factorize it out because it is a common factor in both terms. So what I would remain with, V open brackets, I'd remain with W minus 1 inside my brackets. And then the last step, I would just have to divide both sides by W minus 1. So therefore, V will be equal to 3W plus 5 over W minus 1. Okay, so we have made V the subject of the formula, and that was with 3 marks.